Two deuces with a 7 make the fucking beat.
What up? It's your guy Jag2Fly, and I'm back with another video, man. Today we're gonna be going to another car meet. Yep, you guessed it. But like, hey, let me know how you like this intro, cause everybody was telling me that other intro was alright, but it's not alright. You know what I mean? Everybody was like, "Son, that intro, that's bad." So I made this new intro. I made it, so y'all let me know how y'all like it. But anyway, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe on the video. Let me know how y'all like the video too. Share with your friends, all that. I'll get back to y'all when we get to the car meet. Let's get it, dude.
Get my shit all, man.
Oh, you want me to get that? Hey, which one? This one? Okay. I'll put you at in a bit. Savage Life. Okay. Not showing the plate because I don't want to blur it out. We got Adam. Mustang. It's a nice Camaro. Yo, this is nice. You mind when I ask you what you got done to it? Oh!
I just got it.
This is nice. I like how you got the lights in there. Can't really see.
Sell it. They want to sell you the engine cover, the roof, the rear, the diff, the diffuser, and the side skirt.
In the sides.
At 49,000. It looked kind of stupid without the wing.
I like how they added the mirrors.
I added red calipers and the shiny rims, and then I said, "That's it. I want to get the fuck out of here."
So the electric motors are for launch and after a certain
Six Gen Camaro. Whoa. Swole_built. We got some cars over there,
The dig's fine. You got a stick?
No.
You honk, man. I got a stick.
hey, you still got him though.
I fudged the takeoff.
Run that bit back. That bit was good.
I fudged the takeoff. What happened?
This is stupid.
What happened?
I went sideways.
Oh yeah, I fudged the takeoff. I'm gonna try it again.
You see, y'all was close as a bit.
Fudged the takeoff bad.
This shit low-key fast.
Oh, he's making 50 more horsepower. And he's got that big killed air intake.
Oh yeah.
But his makes 50 more stock. I'll back up a little bit.
We ain't gonna stop it because I need the time. Fuck you, buddy. Katie.
What's that car doing?
These cars on these roads. God dang.
What is that?